Hey guys, it's me, iiVoltageWolf, and you don't see my face right now. That's because this is the first episode, I believe, where, I finally have a blueprint for, like, you know, fursuit making and whatnot. Or costume making in general. This right here is my foot dummy. I learned this from a good old designer, a fursuit designer, Tisa Braces. If you heard that, Tisa Braces, I like you. I like your design. And, it has appeared here. Stuffed in what appears to be a lot of napkins. Yes, I did that, just to give it more shape. And, yeah, this is step one. All I need to do is get more materials the next time I go to Walmart. If not, then I might have to, like, wait until I get myself a car. But, yeah, this is step one. And, look at that ankle bone. That is my ankle bone. And I used my left foot because, you know, I actually did this alone. Like, I didn't even need help with this. At first, I didn't think it would be easy, but it actually felt pretty easy. All you needed was, like, 3, 4, or even 5 straps of saran wrap, and just a few duct tape or Gorilla Tape, whatever you prefer. Just a few of those, and then it should be a solid hunk like this if you stuff it. And yeah, a sock can fit on this. I'm using ankle socks for this. And, yeah. I guess that's one episode out of the way. So, if you have been anticipating this one moment, this one moment that I'm beginning to transform into Taikono Salvatore, the wolf, you know, he's a channel icon, you know. If you've been anticipating this, give yourselves a pat on the back, because this is the very first step in making indoor sock paws. And, if you want to see more content like this, hit that like and subscribe button, and tap the bell to get notified of all new videos. This has been iiVoltageWolf with just a very early morning, video, and I'll see you in the next session. Bye!